So now I'll show you one example how I am reading this CSV file by using the Pyspark. So this one CSV file I have created for testing purpose. So the mentioned fields I have created like order ID, customer ID and quantity, unit price, status and confirm date. Now I am going to use this file by using the Pyspark. So there are multiple ways to read any CSV file, but this is the quickest method to read this file. So first, in order to read that file, either you can upload that CSV file into this particular file store, or you can directly read it from the location where you have kept that file. So I have uploaded that file in this particular file store folder, and after that you need to just call this pyspark.sql and import. You need to spark session. So these are the like predefined functions that you need to call, and after that you can use this spark equal to spark session dot builder dot get or create. Okay, so by using this function you can read that CSV file. Since I am reading CSV file, so here I have used read.csv. If you are going to use any other file like Excel, in that case you need to change .xl. So after that here I have kept header equal to true, means it will show you the top headers of the Excel. File keep it as a false, it will considered as a like data or row itself. I'll show you that. See, now I make it as a false, so now the first row of that CSV is now considered as a row. So again, if I'll keep it as a true, it will consider that first row as an header. So that is why it is important to keep it as a true or false. Now I have marked it as a true, and then enter schema equal to true, and after that I have created one temp table. So here I have used df dot create or replace temp view, and I have created one temp table with name as an order. So once that got created temp table, directly after that you can directly read that file as an table itself. Then you don't need to like use these function directly. You can query the data like you are doing for the Excel. So now you can use SQL functions like select start from order basically because I have created one temp table. Okay, so once you close this notebook, after that temp table got dropped. So again, if you want to process some data, you need to again run the previous this code. Okay, so again it will create one temp table for you. Now you can perform multiple functions. Like first you have selected. Now if you want to find out the status which are not equal to confirm, then you can apply some where condition as well. So this way you can directly now check whether your file have correct set of data or not. Like from the file itself you can find out whether the file contain duplicate records or not, any null value is there or not, because if you have millions of data, it is not possible to read that file directly. In that case you need to like use this Pyspark to create one temp table, and after that temp table got created of that source file. You can directly check the source file data itself and compare it with the data of that table present in data present in the target table. Okay, so this way nowadays we are verifying the data if you are using Azure. I hope you like this video. In case you have any query, so please let me know. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel.